Hi guys! I'm Kenny and welcome back. Today, ang gagawin natin is susubukan natin yung collection or collaboration ni Kathryn Bernardo with Happy Skin for Holiday 2019. Actually, dati pang may mga nagre-request sa akin na subukan yung Happy Skin, kaya lang hindi ko siya nasusubukan. I don't know why. But finally, ato na guys. The long wait is over kasi masusubukan na natin yung product nila. And super exciting, di ba? Kasi hindi lang siya yung ordinaryong line ng Happy Skin. This one is super special kasi in collaboration with Kathryn Bernardo. So ayun guys, if you want to know kung worth it ba itong Kathryn Bernardo and Happy Skin collaboration, kasi aminin natin, di ba? Medyo expensive siya. Well, actually, hindi medyo. Expensive talaga. Just keep on watching. First product na susubukan natin is an eye product, and this one is yung kanilang Easy Eyes Crease Proof Eyeshadow Stick. Dito sa may packaging, sabi na yung product daw is made in Taiwan. It contains 2 grams and yung presyo niya is 399 pesos. Dalawa yung shades na available dito sa may product na to according sa kanilang Instagram post, and yung mga shades na yon are fresh and fit. Sabi dito yung fit is a nude peach color and yung fresh naman is a desert rose shade. By the way, I forgot to mention na yung shade nga palang binigay nila sa akin is fresh, which is yung desert rose color. This is how the packaging looks like, and for me, I like it kasi it's very sleek and slim. Ganito naman yung itsura niya once you open it, and again, this one contains 2 grams, so yan yung amount of product na makukuha nyo for 399 pesos. Okay, so first impression, it's creamy. Okay naman yung ano niya, texture and feeling sa may skin, and when it comes sa may pigmentation, okay lang. It's not super duper intense, but hindi din naman parang sobrang bland. This is how the shade looks like once you swatch it, and I love it. Super nice no shade niya and perfect for everyday. Subukan naman natin siya this time sa may mata and tignan natin kung okay siya. Okay, so first impression kapag ka in-apply sa may eyes, medyo ano siya, nagtatag. Pero hindi naman siya ganun ka-uncomfortable. I mean, okay pa din siyang gamitan somehow. Ganito yung itsura ng eyeshadow kapag ka hindi pa nabe-blend. So this time, ang gawin naman natin is i-blend na natin siya using my ring finger. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-blend. I don't know why. Pero feeling ko parang ano siya, mabilis mag-set. So I feel like you have to work fast with this one because tignan nyo. Oh my god. Ayaw niya mag-blend. Nahihirapan ako. Nakakaloka. To be honest, I am not sure about this product. I mean, see? Tignan nyo. Ang hirap niya i-blend. Tsaka tignan nyo guys, dito sa may likod ng kamay ko, parang medyo old rose yung kulay niya. But dito sa may eyes, parang sobrang tingkad, which is kind of weird. Sad to say, but I don't like this product. For an eyeshadow stick, I feel like masyado siyang matigas. Mas maganda sana kung mas creamy para mas mabilis i-blend kasi etong isang to, para siyang clay eh. Eto na guys, after how many minutes na blend ko na yung eyeshadow and gumanda na yung itsura niya. I like the color, I like how it looks like sa may lid. Kaya lang talaga when it comes sa may formula, medyo ano ko doon, 50-50. Mas maganda sana kung etong product na to ginawa nilang mas creamy yung formula. That way, kapag ka nilagay sa lid, hindi siya nagtatag and mas mabilis i-blend. Eto namang next product na susubukan natin is yung kanilang Pretty Easy na Everyday Liquid Eyeshadow. Dalawa yung shade na available dito and those are Get Fancy and Glitzy. Yung shade na meron ako is Fancy, which is a champagne color, and according sa may packaging niya, this one contains 6.5 ml. It retails for 399 pesos and same lang din guys. Lahat naman sila made in Taiwan. This is how the packaging looks like and I love it kasi very sleek and super fun. Ito naman yung itsura ng applicator and ano lang siya, yung very basic and standard na doe foot applicator. Bago ko siya ilagay sa aking lid, ang gagawin ko is swatch ko muna siya para makita natin how it looks like, and let's see. Ooh. In fairness, maganda yung kulay niya. Ito yung itsura ng eyeshadow once you swatch it and super nice. I love it. Ang ganda ng itsura niya. Subukan na natin siya and let's see kung maganda din ba siya kapag nilagay na natin sa ating lid. Okay, so this is how the liquid eyeshadow looks like kapag nilagay nyo sa may lid, and as you can see, very subtle lang and sheer yung glow na binibigay niya or yung sparkle na binibigay niya sa may lid. And feeling ko yung reason kung bakit is because yung target naman nila for this one is for everyday. Don't expect too much with this one kasi hindi siya kagaya ng Blight Cosmetics na liquid eyeshadow. Yun kasi mas intense and mas pigmented. When it comes sa may formula, actually it's nice kasi it's very easy to blend. Hindi siya malagkit and hindi mabigat kapag nilagay sa may lid. Kung ang hanap niyong liquid eyeshadow is yung perfect for everyday and yung magbibigay lang ng sheer glow kapag nilagay sa lid, this one is nice. Pero kung ang hanap niyo naman is yung liquid eyeshadow na super intense and talaga magbibigay ng extra glow kapag nilagay sa may lid, I suggest na Blight Cosmetics na lang yung bilhin nyo. Okay, so yung next product na susubukan natin is yung kanilang blush, and yung tawag naman dito is On The Go Blush, and this one retails for, let me check, 399 pesos as well. Dalawa yung shade na available dito and sabi sa may packaging, this contains 4.3 grams. Again, we have two shades and those are toasted and pinched. Also, eto nga pala yung amount of product na makukuha nyo for 399 pesos. Yung first color na ating susubukan is pinched, which is yung carnation pink shade. This is how it looks like. Very creamy and maganda yung shade. Medyo matingkad ng konti but super nice. Maganda yung kulay niya. Ito namang isang to, ang tawag sa kanya is toasted and terracotta shade siya. So let's see how it looks like. Oh wow. This one is nice. I love it. And ang ganda ng pigmentation. Ang perfect ng shade na to guys, pang drunk blush. So lagay lang tayo ng konti. Ito lang muna tapos i-layer na lang natin siya later. This is how the blush in the shade Pinched looks like and for me, I like it. If you have light to medium skin complexion, this one is nice kasi ang lakas maka-fresh ng kulay. Tsaka maganda yung formula ng product. It's very easy to blend, it's lightweight, hindi siya malagkit, and yung pigmentation niya, very buildable. Dito sa may packaging, kapag tinignan nyo, parang sobrang tingkad ng kulay niya, but actually, once you apply it sa may cheeks, very subtle, very muted, and maganda yung kulay niya. Hindi nakakatakot yung kulay, hindi intimidating, and talagang perfect for everyday. Okay, dokie. So yung next color na susubukan natin is yung shade na Toasted. Ganito naman si Toasted kapag nakalagay na sa cheeks and to be honest, maganda din siya. Kung ang hanap nyo namang blush is yung magbibigay ng parang sun-kissed na effect sa may cheeks, this one is really nice. Maganda yung kulay niya and yung effect sa may skin and eto namang shade na to, feeling ko, okay siya if you have medium to deep complexion. Same sa may unang shade, very easy to blend as well. Maganda yung pigmentation, very buildable, and maganda yung itsura sa may skin. Tsaka hindi siya malagkit, okay na okay sa akin yung formula nito. This time sa mga lip product naman tayo and yung first na susubukan natin is yung kanilang matte lipstick and yung tawag dito is My Lips But Better Ultra Matte Lippy. This one retails for 399 pesos. Dalawa yung shades na available and those are Whimsy and Charm. 399 pesos yung presyo nitong product. It contains, ang labo ng mata ko, hindi ko mabasa. 1.47 grams? I'm not sure. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen, pero feeling ko ayun nga talaga. 1.47 grams yung amount of product. Ang konti niya ha, nakakaloka. Anyway, this is how the packaging looks like and the amount of product na makukuha nyo inside. First color na susubukan natin is Charm and this one is a mauve shade. Ito yung shade na Charm kapag nakalagay na sa lips and grabe guys, ang perfect nung shade. It's very creamy, it's easy to apply, it's lightweight. Ang perfect, ang ganda ng formula. Pigmentation is nice as well kasi one swipe lang, opaque na yung kulay niya sa may lips. It doesn't look patchy and even though medyo dry yung aking lips, hindi niya na-emphasize yung texture kaya ang perfect. Dito naman tayo ngayon kay Whimsy which is a baked clay shade. Ang ganda din ng shade na to guys, what the hell? To be honest guys, I feel like wala na akong kailangan pang sabihin na kahit ano sa may lipstick kasi ang perfect talaga. Same sa may unang shade, this one as well. Bagay sa kahit anong skin tone kasi warm yung kanyang kulay. In fairness kay Kathryn, etong dalawang shade ng lipstick, sobrang perfect nila. Final product na susubukan natin is yung kanilang tint and this one naman retails for 329 pesos each. This one contains 6.5 ml. Dalawa yung shades na available and those are Sassy, which is a crimson color, and Chill, which is a racine red shade. Packaging looks like this, very consistent, sleek, and cute. And yung applicator niya looks like this. Oh my god guys, I love the scent. Nakaka-addict siya. It smells sweet, amoy berry. Start tayo dito kay Sassy. This is how the shade Sassy looks like. Tama ba? Yeah, Sassy. Ito yung itsura ni Sassy kapag ka nakalagay na sa lips and maganda yung shade niya. Sad to say, pero even though gusto ko yung kulay when it comes sa may formula, hindi ako big fan kasi medyo drying siya. Ako kasi talaga, to be honest, even before pa, hindi talaga ako big fan ng water tint. So, ayun. Dito sa may isang to na-appreciate yung kulay, but yung formula and yung quality ng product, hindi masyado. So, ito namang shade na chill yung subukan natin this time, which is a raisin red shade. Ito naman yung shade na chill and maganda din yung kulay niya, kaya lang ayun nga, hindi ko talaga gusto yung formula niya. Drying talaga kasi yung formula niya since nga water tint. Yeah, hindi ko ma-appreciate yung formula. Also guys, nakalimutan ko i-mention na medyo mapait yung tint. So, ayun. Also, as you guys can see, medyo patchy din yung tint and I feel like if you have dry lips, may emphasize niyo yung mga dry texture and patches. So yeah, for me, pass ako dito, hindi ako big fan. Okay guys, so diretso na kaagad tayo sa may product recommendation and I have two. So yung first one is yung kanilang on-the-go blush and yung second is yung kanilang My Lips But Better Ultra Matte Lippy. Sa lahat ng product na sinubukan natin, which is total of 5, I feel like ito yung dalawang pinaka-worth it and magandang subukan. Kagaya nung sabi ko kanina, etong blush, maganda siya kasi very buildable yung pigmentation, perfect for everyday, it's lightweight, hindi siya malakit sa may cheeks, and ano pa ba? Maganda yung colors and bagay sa kahit anong skin tone. Yung shade na Toast, if you have medium to deep complexion, okay na okay siya, and yung shade naman na Pinched, okay siya if you have light to medium complexion. Dito naman sa may lipstick, sobrang na-shook ako sa may formula. Yes, medyo expensive yung lipstick, but I can definitely say na great value for money. Kasi when it comes sa may formula and quality, sobrang on point. I'm definitely going to buy other shades ng lipstick na to kasi talagang sobrang impressive ng formula. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much and I hope to see all of you again on my next one.